In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove participant from Google Meet. If you ever need to manage a meeting and keep things on track, knowing how to remove a participant is essential. The most important thing to remember right away is that only the meeting host can remove someone, so make sure you're signed in with the account that created the meeting or that you've been promoted to host. If you don't see the options I mentioned, you're probably not the host in that session. Start by signing in to your Google account and opening your Google Meet meeting. Once you're in the call, look to the top right corner of the screen for the people icon. It looks like a small silhouette or a label that says people, depending on your layout. Click that to open the participant panel. This panel shows everyone who's currently in the meeting along with their status. In the list, find the participant you want to remove. Take a moment to double check the name so you're selecting the right person. When you hover over their name, you'll see a More Actions button appear next to it. This is the three dots icon. Click those three dots to open a small menu of options for that specific participant. From that menu, choose the option to remove the participant. In many cases, Google Meet will ask you to confirm. This is a helpful safeguard, especially in larger meetings, so read the prompt and confirm the removal. As soon as you do, the person will be disconnected from the call. That's it. There's no need to restart the meeting and everyone else will continue as normal. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Use this feature thoughtfully. If it's appropriate, let the person know you'll be removing them, especially if it's due to background noise or a technical problem. If the remove option is missing or grayed out, that almost always means you're not the host in this session. You may need the actual host to promote you or take the action. Also, be aware that removing someone doesn't always prevent them from attempting to rejoin, depending on your meeting's settings. If you need tighter control, set your host controls before or during the meeting to limit who can enter. On mobile, the flow is similar. Open the participant list, tap the three dots next to the person's name, and choose Remove. The icons may be in slightly different spots, but the idea is the same. That's all you need to remove a participant in Google Meet quickly and confidently.